Friday, July 10th or 11th or something. I'm gonna head up to the arcade, get coffee, hopefully. Yeah, it's just been, I mean, it's hard to complain when you look at Texas and New Mexico, but this has been some, well, I mean, I guess if you even take that into consideration, this has been some pretty horrible weather this season. Not a whole lot to talk about, just been kind of hanging around indoors and playing with the kids. Minecraft Dungeons is the new one. I've got hives all over my body from the amoxicillin that I was taking for my tooth. I guess that's a somewhat common side effect. I don't really care for it. I'd rather not. I mean, they look like hives. I don't know if it's they call it an amoxicillin rash, but I think it's hives because they're bumpy. That's the difference, right? I got that RC airplane. I flew that, I think, on Monday or Tuesday. So it was my first time flying an RC airplane. That was pretty fun. It's very easy to fly. So in the RC airplane world, should bring it to this field here. This would be perfect. Oh my gosh, look at it. Grass is a little long though. In the RC airplane world, there's, as far as electric go, there's planes and there's gliders. So this Ranger 600 is kind of a hybrid. It's lightweight, flex foam, like a glider, but it's got a propeller on the back of it. It's got, I think, 5 channels, left, right aileron. I think it's got a rudder. It's got elevator, maybe 4 channel. I don't know. Might be 4 channel. So it's got all the controls of an airplane with the light weight and indestructible qualities of a glider, basically. It's pretty cool, you know, it doesn't have wheels. You gotta kind of launch it by hand. Anyway, it flies really smooth and it's got a lot of power for what it is. And it can do stunts, apparently. 3 gyro modes. Full gyro, half gyro, and no gyro. Also known as beginner, intermediate, and expert. Just a very gloomy day. Been all week's been very gloomy. It's one of those summers, I guess. Far cry from last season. At least it's not hot right now. That's a good thing. I would like to see some sunshine, though. Just puts you in a mood, you know? A gloomy mood. scooter. Turn right, please. Come on now. I guess I should go the speed limit. Might be able to cut them off if they don't turn right. I'll turn this. Oh, I gotta sneeze now. I have yet to sneeze inside my helmet. Hope it never happens. No scooter, please, no scooter. Please, no scooter. Think I beat him. So yeah, this has been the season so far, just getting stuck behind people. This is the traffic this year. I thought it was gonna be bad. I would say it's 3 times the amount of traffic this last year. So that should tell you something about the direction of New Hampshire. This guy's carrying building supplies. There's just all weird stuff too, like people on scooters. There was a guy going down my road a couple months ago on a scooter. That should also give you an idea of the direction New Hampshire's going. Let's just say scooters are an urban vehicle, not a rural mountain vehicle. Okay. Look, it's the second Porsche that's driven by me. Oh dear. We're in trouble, people. My son lost his 3rd tooth yesterday night. Last night? Yesterday night? Beautiful house. See, I came right out. That was good. He was all scared. Mom's like, let me see, and then yank, popped right out. I said, hey, at least you're getting a new one. My tooth's gonna come out, I'm not gonna get a new one. There's another truck I'm gonna get stuck behind now. So today, at first they said it was gonna be clear, and then yesterday it said decreasing clouds. And now it's mostly cloudy, and it looks like it's going to rain any minute. The weekend was supposed to be nice, and I was surprised. I was like, oh, this is like the first weekend all spring and summer that's not going to rain. Well, guess what? That changed too. So yeah, I mean, just look, this is it. How many times now, how many videos have I made so far this season where I'm just stuck behind somebody? At least that guy pulled over. That should tell you something. That should tell you something about what's going on here. That guy looked like a native, so maybe I've just had bad luck, huh? But maybe not. I could be wrong. I should stop complaining. That's what I should do. Okay. Everybody's working for the weekend. Hey, look, that's a nice field. They got all the hay all wrapped up, ready to turn into silage. There's another car on this road. It's pretty crazy. Do coyotes not go after horses? So I just saw 2 horses in that field all by themselves. There's another car. You know how many cars I would drive by last season on this road? 0. Exactly 0. Oh, we got a logging truck. What's that tell you? Oh, that guy's going real slow. Jesus Christ! Oh, wow! That scared the... Oh, my heart. Did you fucking see that? Oh, that's gonna be a good one. That turkey was, being a turkey. That's the closest I've ever been. Hope I didn't get ticks on me. Last time I was that close to a turkey, I was holding it by the feet. There's ticks all over the damn thing. Here we go. Another one. Incredible, man. I don't know what's going on. Let's see what hazards. Oh, there we go. First time I've ever had a car come around that. Rhode Island. There you go. What is going on, man? What's the arcade look like? There's one car. Yeah, let's go here now. Two vehicles. Actually, isn't there a rope bridge? Kind of want to try that rope bridge. That's a nice view.